What is OneDrive Sync?
OneDrive Sync is Microsoft's way of automatically keeping your files up to date across all your devices. When you edit or add a file in your OneDrive folder, those changes are mirrored online and on any device signed in to your account. This makes it easy to access the latest version of your documents, whether you're at home, work, or on the go.
How does OneDrive Sync work?
OneDrive creates a special folder on your computer. Anything saved in this folder is automatically uploaded to the cloud and instantly updated on all devices signed in with your Microsoft account. When changes are made from another device or online, those updates also download to your computer. This two-way sync ensures you always have the most current files at your fingertips.
Managing sync settings.
You can control which folders are synced with each device. In the OneDrive app settings, choose Folders to select only the files you need. This helps save storage space on your device while still keeping important documents up to date. You can also pause sync if you're on a limited connection, or resume when you're ready.
Best practices for keeping files updated.
For reliable syncing, always save documents in your OneDrive folder. Regularly check your sync status in the system tray or app. If you share a computer, log out of your account to keep your files private. It's wise to avoid renaming or moving the OneDrive folder itself, as this can disrupt synchronization.
Troubleshooting sync issues.
If files stop syncing, check your internet connection and ensure you're signed in. Look for error icons in the app, which may point to issues like insufficient space or duplicate files. Restarting OneDrive or your device often helps. For ongoing issues, Microsoft's support site provides detailed solutions for common syncing problems.